morning all. I am Parthiban. I am working as an assistant professor in Erode Single Engineering College.
Hi, good morning all. This is Vadaganathan from Computer Science and Engineering, Erode Sengundar Engineering College. First of all, we are going to share about, discuss about interview questions in core Java for placement purpose. Thank you so much for this opportunity for Principal Sir, Management and ESCC TV.
Now we are going to discuss about the core Java questions. So what is Java?
Yes, very important question. Java is a fully object-oriented language.
Why you are saying it is a fully object-oriented programming language?
Compared to some object-oriented languages will be called it as a partial object-oriented language, but Java is a fully object-oriented language because without a class we cannot create a single line in Java. That's why we are saying Java is a fully object-oriented language.
So what is class?
Yeah, class is the blueprint of data member and methods.
Okay, list out the features of Java.
Java have many features. First main feature is a platform independent. What is meant by platform independent? In the sense, a Java program can execute any platform like Linux, Windows, Mac, like that we can execute a Java program in any platform. That's why we are saying Java is a platform independent. It is the main important feature compared to other programming language.
Okay, what is JDK?
JDK, Java Development Kit. It is a tool for executing Java application, Java programs and developing a Java programs. That is what we are calling as a JDK.
What is JVM?
JVM, Java Virtual Machine. It is going to executing the byte code and it will translate the byte code into machine code.
So what is a byte code?
Very important concept of Java is byte code. Due to byte code only, we are saying Java is a platform independent. While you are going to execute Java program, it converts Java file into byte code. Then byte code can execute in any platform. That's why we are saying Java is a platform independent.
Okay, what is object?
Object is the one of the part of a class. It is like an instance of a class. Class is the already you have asked one question. What is class? Class is the collection of object.
Okay, what is method?
Method is like a function. We will start. We will be having a if we want to execute reusable code, we can make it as a function. That reusable code we can declare as a function and we can reuse for many times.
Can you please give one example for the method?
We can if I want to add multiple numbers, for example 2 numbers and 3 numbers. 2 numbers want to add multiple times, in the sense we can declare as a add method in Java. Then we can pass a parameter 2 values for multiple times. Then we can use that method for multiple times for multiple numbers.
Okay, what is constructor?
Constructor is for initializing the values for object. Constructor, we have a difference between constructor is same look like a method. But what is the difference, main difference between constructor and method? In the sense, method will have a return type, but constructor will not have a return type. Constructor will have a same as name as a class name, but in case of method cannot be like that. Constructor, whenever you are going to create object, it will call the constructor automatically. But for a method, we want to create object and we have to call a method. This is a very important question. It will be asked in all interview point of interviews.
You can tell the types of constructor.
We have a default constructor and a copy constructor. Default constructor in the sense parametric constructor, default constructor and a copy constructor. Default constructor in the sense we can assign the values like a default values. For example, I am going to have a value called age. For age I am going to declare as a 0. That will be a default value. For marks, some person will be having a mark is 0. That may be a default value. He may be absent. That will be call it as default value. default constructor. What is meant by parameter constructor in the sense, while creating object I am going to pass the values for that parameter. That is what we are calling as a parameter constructor.
These are all about the core Java basic questions.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Principal sir, management correspondent sir Kamalamurugan sir, and ESCC TV our Sangan Narayan sir, thank you so much. Thank you so much for this opportunity. We will, based on your feedback, we will give many more videos in for placement purpose. Thank you all.